Tired of kitchen gadgets that overpromise and underdeliver? Let's change that. In this video, we're exploring 3 must-have tools for your kitchen: a sleek 33-piece utensil set, a space-saving clip-on strainer, and a versatile veggie chopper. Whether you're looking to save time, space, or effort, these gadgets might just be the game changers you need. Stick around to see which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. Picture this. You're about to whip up your favorite meal, but your kitchen tools are either too flimsy or missing altogether. Enter the Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. With 33 pieces, this set has everything you need, from spatulas to tongs. Its non-stick silicone keeps your cookware safe, while the wooden handles add a touch of elegance. Imagine the ease of having the right tool for every dish, all in one stylish set. Just remember, those wooden handles deserve a little extra care: a AUOON Clip-On Strainer. Now, imagine draining pasta or rinsing vegetables without juggling bulky colanders. That's where the AUOON Clip-On Strainer shines. This compact gadget clips onto almost any pot or pan, letting you strain with ease. Picture yourself effortlessly pouring off water without spills, saving counter space, and cleaning up faster. While it's not a perfect fit for every pot, its convenience makes it a game changer for quick kitchen tasks. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Finally, think about prepping veggies in minutes instead of hours. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper makes it possible. Whether you're dicing onions, slicing cucumbers, or spiralizing zucchini, this 4-in-1 tool does it all. Imagine how much time you'd save with its sharp blades and handy container that catches every cut. It's perfect for meal prep pros, though be careful, those blades mean business when cleaning up. So there you have it. 3 kitchen gadgets that can transform your cooking game. If you're looking for versatility, go for the Umite Chef Utensil Set. For convenience, the AUOON Clip-On Strainer is a must-have, and for quick prep work, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is your go-to. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more kitchen gadget reviews. See you in the next video.